Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself for there, bud. Welcome back to another video, Jam Fam Tribe.
We're going to be sharing a compilation of some videos with you in this episode, and we do hope that you will enjoy some of the activities that we've gotten up to in this one. So I'll roll those footage for you now. Oh, my father just arrived and brought me some supplies. I have 1/4 dozen mangoes. I've got some yams. I'm going to cook some of that yam right now, and I've got some plantains. I'm just going to leave that plantain to ripe. I thought about making some plantain porridge, but then I decided I'm just going to leave it to ripe and do some fried plantains with it. And then here again, my other fruit that I get, jackfruit. So the pegs you've just seen on the top, we just literally cut it, and I got half and he got half. And so the pegs on the top are the bits that I already eat out, so we can't wait to go eat some more. And I'm already saving the seeds from it over there. So I've saved up some seeds in a container because I'm going to boil them when I finish eating them again, so I can have it as a snack. So this is part of the things that I get each time from my network. So it's one of those things, if you live in the area where you have this, then that too will help with your running cost, your household running cost. I've been going for a couple of days wanting to make some rundown, and my father came today, so I knew he was coming, so I bought some mackerel and decided that we're going to make some rundown together and have that to eat, because he likes rundown and so do I. So food over there, so yam that he brought and dumpling, and then salt mackerel in coconut cream. Can't wait to get started on tasting it. All cooked down now. You see that? Wow. And ready to serve. Bon appetit. So that's my rundown with dumpling and yellow yam and okra, string bean and carrot for the salad. That's where we at. Yeah, that's it. Wow, that's a good picture you got. Right here, the lovers who left. So these are the lovers that the story is all about. And they left, apparently. And so we have lovers leave. The lights on the footpath. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So we can go to there. I have been Yay! This video that we've shown you here is a throwback to when we went to Lover's Leap earlier in the year. Since we've visited Lover's Leap, Beryl, of course, has come, and from my understanding, it has had a devastating effect on Lover's Leap and the scenic, picturesque tourist hot spot that Lover's Leap was and still is. And so we're just going to show you a little bit of what's happening there.
Open hours is from Monday to Thursday 12 p.m, 9 p.m. Friday to Sunday 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Alright, so welcome to Lover's Leap. Look at this beautiful sign right here, very beautiful. Yeah man, so all the picture lovers them, yeah man, it's a nice sign right here. As you can see, the background with a hood finish, very yeah man. So this is the nice view, very nice view.
Been wanting to do a report for you as it relates to the damage at Lover's Leap over in South St. Elizabeth, the historic tourist attraction Lover's Leap. Many of you would be familiar with the story of Lover's Leap and the storyline behind it. Well, this is one of the tourist attractions that experienced serious devastation, and we have been hearing about it, and we're going to give you a first-hand look right here from BOJ TV. So that's the famous lighthouse there. You know, that's very integral for persons who are traversing the high waters, right? So we are approaching the entrance of Lover's Leap, and as you can see there, total damage.
We understand that they are currently exploring building a temporary facility so that it can still be utilized. So it would be good if people go out and, you know, support and give them that love in this time period that they're going through, whilst they work through the insurance process to get the other section of the building rebuilt and make memories there, new memories, as they gave us the facility and an opportunity to make memories there for ourselves. And hopefully it will be back up and running again as usual. Jamaicans have the capacity to be very resilient and to bounce back quickly and easily. So if we just rally around places like this that have been hit and support in whatever way we can whilst they rebuild, that would be good. We had a very wonderful experience when we went there, and we're looking forward to going back and having another experience. Hopefully everything will be back on track soon. We know that it's a heritage site, so due care will need to be taken to make sure that it's restored in a way that is going to be more capable of withstanding hurricanes in the future. And until then, it was a magnificent experience going there. Today is one of those preparation days as we're preparing before we go off on our holiday, and I am being treated to a manicure pedicure at home. So I am feeling very privileged right now. So we've got the setup over here. So let's just show you some of the setup. So all of those things on there going to be used in one way or another for this whole process. So madam, what is this going to entail?
So first we're going to do a foot soak, then we're going to do a foot mask treatment.
Okay.
Then we're going to do a scrape, and then we're going to do a polish.
Okay, so that sounds set for a nice experience. So you're going to your water now then, so we can get ready to go. Okay, I'm looking forward to this very much looking forward. So are you looking forward to it?
Oh.
To doing this?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
You sure? Huh? So we're getting this process ready right now. So Eliona, what is it that you're adding to it?
This lavender bath bomb.
Okay.
It helps with relaxation.
Okay. Woo!
It's fizzing.
Yep. That's doing good. I can't wait. I will show you what it looks like in the end. We're doing some love and care and acts of service here. So we'll show you the end result. And my princess decided that she's going to show me some love by doing me some acts of service. So we're going to spend some quality time together and enjoy the process. I'll let you see how it ends, don't worry. So now that we finished the soak, what's the next stage?
Foot mask, foot treatment.
Okay, so what we're doing with that now?
So you have to put your foot in this.
Okay. Have you done? I've never done this before. A foot mask. What a thing.
I did one when I went to a nail shop with Nana.
Oh, one of you and Nan's
Yeah.
care day. Okay.
So that's your foot one.
Oh, that actually feels quite nice.
Yeah, it's supposed to soothe and soften dry skin and like calluses and like the heels.
Okay. So how long we keep this on for?
15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, so we're going to roll the timer once this is gone. So the foot mask has come off. It was tea tree and peppermint. That's why it was so nice and tingly. And now we're going to do what? What's the next step?
I'm going to prep your toes for polishing.
Okay, what's that now? What we have here?
So this is just like a jumbo nail clipper for longer nails. This I'm going to use to take off any dead skin cells that are still on the bed. This is to cut the cuticle. This is to push back. This is to cut like the bits in the corner of your foot. And these are gel bits.
So what we're going to do with those?
This one specifically is for dead skin removal.
Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay then, so you up for this? Is this going to be a good bit?
Yeah.
For me or for you? Or for both of us?
Both.
Okay then, well, let's have a go at it.
Okay.
So that's what that one looks like. And don't worry, this one we're just about to clean it up nicely, but that's what it's beginning to look like. So wanting to decide which one do I go with, that one or that one, but we'll see. So it's been a really good time spending with Eliona, and she's finished up my toes now, so I'm just going to show you the final product and what I decided to go with in the end. Yep, so that's going to be my holiday toe look, and I'm grateful to her for getting it done, and it will be all awesome as we go off on our holiday.
The Jam Fam family. Where Irie living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam. Thank you for watching today's video, Jam Fam Tribe. Bye for now.